Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to part 2 of the focus restoration. So I'm going to start off with my wire brush and my airline, get all the dirt off, some of the rust, and then it'll be time for some rust cure and etch primer, and then some underseal stuff. So next up, I've got some degreaser in a spray bottle, which I'm going to spray onto certain places, almost all of it, which I let sink in for a minute, and then I go over it then with a tornado. This tornado is a cracking little tool for doing this sort of jobs. It really does help get the grease out. So we'll get you back into the time lapse, and I'll see you soon. Also guys, would like to take the opportunity to thank my brother Rich and my brother Dave for the help out this weekend. Also, big thanks to Darren for the use of the ramp over the weekend. So it's time for the Hammerite rust cure. This is literally just applied on and then dried. Unfortunately, I didn't have a brush, so it was a microfiber cloth. There we go, all that primed, all the rust spots ready for the undersealing. So it's time for undersealing. This underseal is made by Hammerite. It's in a spray can, makes it a lot easier to apply and a lot less messier should I say, and it's really affordable as well. 6 cans for under £30, so I would call that a bargain. So I'll leave you to it. So there we go. I'm just finishing off coat number 2 now, the undersealing. Almost got that finished. So we'll catch you in now for part 3. We finally get everything back together. Thanks guys, much appreciated. Like and subscribe.